Did it work? We're going to play, let's see how long it takes to mount a tire. Featuring the Michelin Mom. Most dumbest. There you go. Maybe it just doesn't have enough lube. Lube it up a little bit. Did you take the valve core out? I don't understand what the problem is. Oh, here, we're going to go back to this now. Because, you know, this worked the first 2 times, so let's try it a 3rd time. Everybody, hold your ears. Oh, no. Start over. Oh, he did it again. There we go. He's going to get it this time. We've got confidence in him now. There we go. Ready? Oh, there we go. Yeah, buddy, that one worked, right? Oh, no, it didn't. Near.
Did you write to them? That's how his asshole looks when I pull out. If you have any balls,
Can you stop recording? Come on.
if you have any balls, you put some frickin' ether in there and light a match and run.
Let's go. Either that bitch. This will definitely be a YouTube sensation with your flaming ponytail running through the shop.
Yep. And you're smoking asshole.
Well, that's got nothing to do with the ether.
I'm Michelin Mom. Apple Chevrolet.
We're going to put some more lube on there, even though we've already tried this twice and it hasn't worked. 3rd time's a charm.
And use the cheetah.
Let's get the cheetah. Here we go. Pick her up. Let's fill her up.
Ah, jeez.
Oh, I forgot the air hose. Hang on, guys. Let me push down on the tire again.
Hey, do you see what I do at work all day? I work so hard.
Let's put some air in this thing again. The air must be defective. It's got to be what it is.
It's not heavy enough. Put some ether in there, you weasel.
You can't even spell ether.
With an E, right?
Push down on the tire again. All right, there we go.
There you go.
Let's spin it around. Let's try it from this side.
Maybe I'll bitch slap me in the forehead.
There we go. I'm going to try it where the sticker's at. Jam that bitch in there. Come
Here's
on.
Johnny.
There we go.
Where's your safety glasses?
All right.
Oh, there goes the rim.
We might as well just get a new rim now. Here we go. Uh-oh. Oh, no, popped out again. Oh, shit.
He's getting pissed. He's getting pissed. He's in Poland.
Ready? Here we go. Oh! That one worked, right?
Wow.
There we go. That worked. Oh, no, that didn't work either. Oh, shit.
Smoking.
Now what are we going to do? Really? You can't mount a tire?
The Michelin Mom of Apple?
Can't mount a tire. You're not going to give up this quick, are you?
Oh, what the fuck? You're supposed to do these.
Push down on the tire again. See if that does it. It will rotate the valve stem counterclockwise. Let's give it a little pull up. Oh, I don't know why it's not working. Would you keep it down? We're trying to make a movie here. Oh, shit, he's giving up. Where you going?
You know, you look skinnier on his camera here. You look like you're 240.
The camera adds 10 pounds, right?
Makes your ponytail look shorter.
We got about 17 cameras. All right, well, I guess he's giving up.